Hi everyone, so it's July and it's time for the next Google update. This one is huge, big on security. So what you need to get done is your SSL certificates. SSL certificates, for those that don't know, are what makes the little padlock in the URL of your website appear, and it then becomes a secure website. So why do you need an SSL certificate? Well, there's quite a few reasons. Let's start off with a couple. Reason number one, security. We've just all gone through GDPR, so we've got that out of the way, and this is the next phase, making sure your websites are secure online. So what will an SSL certificate and a HTTPS do for you? First things first, it's going to protect your information on your website and any of your clients' information that's held and stored on your website from things like hackers. That's a massive one. Secondly, what it's also going to do is it's going to boost up your rankings on Google. The other thing that the SSL certificate is going to do for your website is it's going to increase your conversion rate. Naturally, by people trusting your website more, if you do have an e-commerce site, anyone leaves a contact form or they purchase from your website, your conversion rate will increase if people know that they're buying from a secure website. If it comes up with a big label at the top saying this website is not secure, there's a high chance that they're not going to buy from you. So that's another massive reason to get it on there. And finally, it's going to say secure on your website, which is great, but what it's not going to say is this website is not secure, or not secure followed by your web address. Now that on its own is going to be a big impact. So it might be a bit of a necessity to some people, but for us this is a must-have for all websites now. Every single one of the Sigma clients are on it, and I hope that you all get on top of it as well. So how do you get this done? There's lots of different ways and there's lots of agencies that can do it. Make sure it's done properly though, because there are lots of things that can happen if it's not installed correctly. So speak to your IT guys potentially, or a web company that you work with, and if not, then feel free to speak to us and we can get this done for you as well. Drop me a line underneath or send me an email, stefan@sigmadigital.uk, and I'll be more than happy to speak to you. Right, well, best of luck and I'll speak to you all soon. Catch you later, bye.